What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the LifeProof slam case for the iPhone X. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So LifeProof introduced a couple new series of cases for the iPhone X, and this one here is their drop protection case called their LifeProof slam case. And this case here is just like most other cases on the market, specifically designed for drop protection. So the LifeProof slam case is for those of you who are a big fan of the LifeProof design as well as the name, but you don't need all the extra fancy protection such as waterproof, dirtproof, snowproof protection. So this is more in line with most other cases on the market, specifically designed for drop protection. It is a two-piece style case. You do need to use this included plastic tool, which goes on the bottom corner here and pops the bumper off. And once you assemble the case back together, this is your end result. So taking a quick overview of this case and what it has to offer, starting off with the front here, we do have an excellent amount of top protection with this TPU material wrapping around the entire border of the phone. Now, even though the slam case isn't as protective as the next case, which protects your phone from dust and debris and stuff, the TPU material here touches the screen, which does a pretty good job at preventing dust and debris from getting in between the case and your phone. On the sides, you have covers for your power button, volume rockers, and they're a little bit stiff, but they do feel like actual buttons when you press on them, as well as a cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. On the bottom, you have three individual cutouts for your stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. And lastly, on the back side here, you have the LifeProof logo engraved on the bottom, a cutout for your dual camera and flash. And the trend for this year's LifeProof cases is a crystal clear back that shows out the color of your phone, the Apple logo, and everything in between. Overall guys, considering this is one of LifeProof's first cases that isn't designed to be waterproof, I think they did a pretty good job. It's a well crafted case, but even though it's a two-piece design, once you have it snapped together, it feels like a one whole case. LifeProof states that you do get 2 meters of drop protection with this case, which is actually quite amazing considering how thin this case is for something that is full size. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the only one change I would make is for LifeProof to offer a solid color model where it's just all one color and a matte finish, as one thing I do find with these crystal clear backs is that they do scratch up pretty easily. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a drop protective case from LifeProof and you don't need all the extra fancy waterproof properties, dirt and dust protection, you definitely can't go wrong with the LifeProof slam case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments about this case, ask it in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.